Welcome English to a student Lady Tatiana Pinta, a University Nacional Abierta y a Distancia. Personal information. What's your full name? My name is Lady Tatiana Pinta. Where are you from? I'm from Portacis Putumayo. How old are you? I'm 19 years old. What is your email address? My Gmail is lesliecardona de Diaz@gmail.com. What do you do? Your occupation. My occupation is study. Where do you live? My life is Obredo 2 in Portacis. Describe the place where you live. The place is beautiful and with very jungle and animals. And something is beautiful. Personality. What are your hobbies? My hobbies is singing, dancing, and cooking, and run exercise. My hobbies and what your favorite food? And my favorite is pizza and ice cream. What's your favorite movie? My favorite movie is Disney, of the Coco. Um, and because importance and of the Access family. What's your favorite book? Which my favorite book is Us Us, and because importance um, the romantic and the man and wish woman and the protect and for me and important is the romantic and the woman. What's your favorite? Mention some and your quality, positive or negative. Um, quality positive and are the happy, calm, um, patient, and the opposite for me. And negative qualities is um, disorganization um, and no something um, the patient note routines and weekend plans. Um, my daily routine is brush, my get up, and the breakfast, the baths, study, eat at night to go to sleep. Then, for me, I do daily routine. What do you usually do you weekends? Ah, Usually to the weekends is um, the one do you usually my good weekend as work and room, the family and the restaurant and eat. I think that personal information. And my personal grandmother, her name is Flor Alba Esperanza Todo, and here at age is 65 years old. And, and she has destroyed the secure and office. This clip is on her physical apparition. My grandmother, is very kid and the disorganized and I disobedience and negative quality. She is disobedient and trustworthy, invalid, and the grandmother and importance and for and life. She summit experience. Um, I went vacation in from Villa Garzón and un river and I named Salto del Indio. And I the front and desire to note more place and um, and beautiful at el water, lo jungle es speculation. Describe an event the matter that you feel sad, nervous, or worried. And my brother and accident and my family. I know I I cried and I arrived. My father and my mother arrived in a hospital. I were um, um, and date horrible. O sea, I cried. Y I car, I, I car are collided and motorcycle hit. I'm too bad, mm, very bad. And thank you very so much and listen for me. Goodbye.